Here's an exciting challenge in number systems. Convert 69 in base 10 to a number in base 2. We have 4 options to choose from. Let's discover the answer together. Here's the process. We will divide 69 by 2 repeatedly, keeping track of the quotient and the remainder. 69 divided by 2 equals 34, remainder 1. 34 divided by 2 equals 17, remainder 0. 17 divided by 2 equals 8, remainder 1. 8 divided by 2 equals 4, remainder 0. 4 divided by 2 equals 2, remainder 0. 2 divided by 2 equals 1, remainder 0. And finally, 1 divided by 2 equals 0, remainder 1. We stop at 0. Now, the key step. We collect the remainders from bottom to top to get our binary number. Reading upwards, we get 1000101. This matches option C. We have successfully converted 69 to binary. Great job! Keep practicing these conversions, and you will master the binary system in no time.